I'm one of those jolly young fellas, you know, and I mean to enjoy a good time. I pay up my way wherever I'd stay, and I'm willing to spend in a whole kind. But there's one thing about me, and that is, you see, I didn't grow very tall. But I'm young yet, you know, and perhaps I might grow, but I'm just that wee bit too small. One day when out walking I happened to meet an old friend, a school pal of mine. She was taking the air, and that I declare, and I asked her if she'd be my bride. I asked her if she'd be my sweetheart one day, or if to her house I could call. She said, I don't know, you must meet my mama, for I'm afraid you're a wee bit too small. You're just that wee bit too small, my young man. Sure, your height you don't answer at all. But you're young yet, you know, and perhaps you might grow, but you're just that wee bit too small. Well, the very next day to her house I did stray, where she lived with her man and her da. But I'm big so small, but not cowarded at all. To meet them I did take the chance. Well, I stood on the floor, so my journey was o'er, when they did not welcome my call. Her ma gave a shout, little fella, get out, for don't you see you're a wee bit too small. You're just that wee bit too small, my young man. Sure, your height you don't answer at all. But you're young yet, you know, and perhaps you might grow, for you're just that wee bit too small. Now 'twas really astound how news gets around, and secrets are hard for to keep. God wishes galore that have come to my door, for the thousands I've won in the sweep. But who came along but the dame and her mam, with a marriage proposed for the fall? But my answer was no, sure it cannot be so, for don't you see, you're a wee bit too tall.